this is our outdoor air quality monitor powered by solar, and also you can power up it by using a external power supply. So basically I will show you the overall device. So this is our front side of the device, this is the back side of the device, this is a side view of the device. Now I am going to insert the SIM card into the device and power it up. If you do not have the solar power, then how to power it up, that I will show you. So basically I have a 2G SIM card which I will insert into the device. So I have the star screwdriver. Using this I am going to open the device. So you can see there is a back plate besides the device. You have to open the 4 screws using the star screwdriver. So I am going to open the device. Totally I have 4 screws. Now I have removed the screws and now I have to remove the back plate. So this is a back plate, it's too heavier. Okay, so now this is the device, this is the back side of the device. Oh, this is the circuit and this is the battery and this is the sensor. So now you can see a net is there to protect the device from outside dust, so that the dust cannot enter into the sensor. So now you have to if you slightly remove the net, then you can see there is a USB connector in the side, at the side. This is the USB connector, micro USB, so that you can insert your plug into it, USB cable like your mobile phone. And this is the switch. Through this switch, if you will press this switch for 2 to 3 seconds, then the device will be power up. And if you will slightly tear this net, then you can see that, or if you will slightly move this net, then you can see that there is a SIM card holder. In this SIM card holder you can insert the SIM card. So now I am going to insert the SIM card. This is my SIM card. Now here it's written that open, so you just slide that open so that the SIM holder will open. Now you have to insert your SIM card. Ensure that this microchip should be below. So now the SIM card I have inserted. Okay, now you need to plug. So this is the charger. This is a micro USB charger with 2-pin socket, 2-pin plug. Now I am inserting the plug into the micro USB. Okay, then this is my plug. Now I need to ensure that the device is covered from all the sides. So again I have to I'll put it as usual. It was previous. The net again I have connected and the rubber band. So now I will screw the back plate. Yeah, before this, ensure that the switch is on. Yeah, if you will switch on it, then you can see that the LED will blink. That means the connection will establish. Then you need to insert this into the socket. Then connect the back plate. Match the holes, then tight the screws.